Peppa Pig Nature Trail. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mammy Pig asks Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic. As if I would, laughs Daddy Pig. They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Mammy and Daddy Pig ask Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hard and finds some footprints on the ground. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mammy Pig. We will have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Shh. Peppa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by a little bird, says Mammy Pig. Soon they come to the end of the footprints. The bird has flown up into that tree, smiles Daddy Pig. Where? asks Peppa. Daddy Pig gives Peppa binoculars to help her see the bird. The binoculars make everything look bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They're eating worms, said Peppa. That's disgusting. George finds some more footprints. They are very little. Daddy Pig says they belong to ants collecting leaves to eat. I think it's time for lunch, says Mammy Pig. But Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. My map is wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We'll have to follow our own footprints back to the car. Suddenly it starts to rain. It washes everyone's footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? asks Mammy Pig. Ducks love picnics, says Peppa. Mrs. Duck, can you help us find our picnic, please? The ducks lead Peppa and her family back to the car. We're here. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Duck, cries Peppa. I love picnics, laughs Daddy Pig. The ducks love picnics too. Quack, quack. So do the birds. And so do the ants. Munch, munch. Everybody loves picnics, cries Peppa. The end. Peppa Pig, New Shoes. Peppa and George have been playing in the garden. Now it is time to come inside. Peppa, says Daddy Pig, where are your shoes? Oh no, gasps Peppa. I've lost them. Peppa runs back out to the garden. She can't find her shoes anywhere. They really are lost, she cries. Don't worry, Peppa, snorts Daddy Pig. Your shoes were getting a bit old. We'll buy you a new pair, says Mammy Pig. Mammy Pig and Peppa go to Miss Rabbit's shoe shop. Mammy, asks Peppa, can my new shoes be red? Of course they can, replies Mammy Pig. Hello, says Mammy Pig. We would like to buy some new shoes for Peppa. Red ones, shouts Peppa, please. Miss Rabbit nods, then lifts down a box from the shelf. Miss Rabbit opens the box. Here we are, she says. Red ones. Peppa tries the shoes on. They feel just right. New red shoes, she giggles. As soon as Peppa gets home, she rushes into the living room. Daddy, Daddy, she shouts, look at my new shoes, they are red. I say, says Daddy Pig, they are very smart. Do you like my new shoes? Peppa asked George. George likes Peppa's new shoes. Everyone likes Peppa's new shoes. Peppa likes to wear her shoes so much she doesn't want to take them off, ever. She even wants to wear them in the bath. Peppa giggles as she plays in the bubbles. Peppa and George get into their pyjamas. They start to brush their teeth. Are you sure you don't want to take your shoes off now? Says Mummy Pig. No, thank you, says Peppa. I'm even going to wear them in bed. In the morning, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig and George put on their boots. They want to jump in muddy puddles. Peppa frowns. Oh. She is still wearing her new red shoes. Peppa runs inside and comes back out wearing her boots. Now she can have fun without getting mud on her new red shoes. If you want to jump in muddy puddles, she says, you must wear your boots. The end. Peppa Pig, Peppa's Fantastic Unicorn. It's after bedtime, but George can't sleep. Peppa decides to tell him a story about her fantastic unicorn. Once upon a time there was a pig called Peppa, says Peppa. And she had a unicorn that could fly. Wow! Peppa and her unicorn were looking for Peppa's brother George, the brave dinosaur trainer. Peppa and her unicorn travelled through an enchanted forest. They flew across the starry night sky and over deep blue oceans. But they couldn't find George anywhere. So the unicorn used a special magic spell to find George. He was with his favourite creatures, the dinosaurs. George had been tucked up asleep all day. Good night, George, whispers Peppa. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.